Welcome back to the channel. It's always great to have you here. Today we're diving into one of the most luxurious touring motorcycles ever built, the 2025 Honda Goldwing. This bike has long been a legend in the touring category. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 Goldwing continues its sleek and aerodynamic design, blending sharp lines with a smooth, flowing profile. The LED lighting system has been upgraded for better visibility. Moving to the interior, the Goldwing remains a class leader in comfort and technology. The seats are redesigned with premium materials, offering exceptional comfort for both rider and passenger. Under the hood, the 2025 CT40 Goldwing is powered by Honda's legendary 101 ATD CT31 six-cylinder engine, known for its buttery smooth performance and unmatched reliability. It produces plenty of torque for highway cruising and effortless acceleration. As for pricing, the 2025 Goldwing starts at around $25,000, with higher trims and added features pushing the price closer to $32,000. It's a premium investment, but one that matches the level of comfort, technology, and performance you're getting. On the safety side, Honda has equipped the Goldwing with advanced rider assist features, including ABS, traction control, cornering detection for the DCT, and a tire pressure monitoring system, combined with the excellent handling and braking system. In summary, the 2025 Honda Goldwing continues to uphold its reputation as the king of touring motorcycles. With its blend of luxury, cutting-edge technology, powerful performance, and world-class comfort, it's the perfect choice for riders who demand the very best. That wraps up today's review of the 2025 Honda Goldwing. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.